Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all good. Students, in this video we are talking about a report that has been released by an international independent think tank by the name SIPRI. What is SIPRI? Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, and in April they have released a fact sheet that is Trends in World's Military Expenditure 2025. This report is stating that India is the fifth largest military expenditure in the world with $92.1 billion of spending. Also remember students, India is the second largest importer of arms. We comes after Ukraine. Ukraine is on the first position. Right? If we talk about this data, that is $92.1 billion of spending. This is an 8.9% increase compared to last year. This surge was largely driven by regional tensions, specifically the Operation Sindoor, that was the conflict with Pakistan in May 2025. According to the latest report of SIPRI, India accounts for almost 3.2% of the total global military spending. If we talk about the data here, on first position stands, let me show you, on first position is USA with $954 billion of spending. Then comes China on the second position with $336 billion of spending. Then comes Russia on third position with $190 billion of spending. And then is your Germany with $114 billion of spending. And then is our India with $92.1 billion of spending. Right here, if we see the data, first USA, then China, then Russia, then Germany, and fifth position is of our India. Very important. Large investment in Tejas fighter aircraft, advanced missile systems, naval assets such as submarines. We are developing our maritime ecosystem. Multiple Indian naval ships are being launched. Right. Apart from this, a significant focus on indigenous manufacturing to reduce import dependence, with domestic procurement targets increasing annually. Apart from this, increased funding for BRO also, so that we can make sure our borders are secure. Right. So all from this, we need to remember the report from SIPRI says India is the fifth largest military expenditure with $92.1 billion of spending. Now, based on this, students, let's discuss some important MCQs. First, the Indian Army has officially declared 2026 year as dash. So, they have declared the year 2026 as the year for the networking and data centricity. Second, which major project is being undertaken to replace the aging T-72 tanks with next generation future ready combat vehicles? It is Project Ranjit. Third, in early 26, the 7th edition of the annual India-Uzbekistan bilateral military exercise was held at the Grumsare Field Training Area. What is the name of this exercise? It is Dust Lake. Fourth, which Indian organization recently signed a contract for the National Maritime Domain Awareness Project to integrate AI-based data collection for coastal security? That is your Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL. Fifth, the indigenously developed suction systems which was recently procured by the Indian Army is primarily used for counter unmanned aerial system drone neutralization. Sixth question, which missile system recently tested in Ladakh is the upgraded version of Akash surface-to-air missile designed specifically for high altitude operations? So right option here is Akash Prime. Seventh, Dhavni, currently under the development by DRDO, is cutting-edge military project focused on which technology? It is focused on hypersonic glide vehicles. 8. The first indigenously designed and built pollution control vessel commissioned for the Indian Coast Guard is named what? It is named as the ICGS Samudra Pratap. 9th, Project Vijayak, which recently celebrated their Raising Day in Kargil, is a critical infrastructure initiative managed by which organization? It is managed by BRO, Border Road Organization. Then 10th question, what is the name of the first indigenously built Project 17A stealth frigate that joined the Eastern Naval Command in early 2026? It is INS Nilgiri. So these were your important MCQ, students, that will be helping in your learning. So that's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.